You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4.
Okay, open up your math books to page 45, just like this. Okay. Today's math class is not very hard, and there's a fun little game we're going to play on the back side of page 46. But let's take care of our business here first. All right. First question says, write the numbers, write the after numbers, números después, by twos, por dos. So, are we ready to count by twos? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. What comes after 6 by twos? Not 7. What goes next? 2, 4, 6, 8. What comes after that? 6, 8, 10. Okay. Then we have 120. What comes next? 120. What goes next? By twos. 122, 122. And 124, 124. Here we have 86, 86. What comes next? By twos. 88, 90, 88, 90. All right. Here we're counting by tens. Let's count by tens together up to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we're counting by tens. What number comes before 70? Antes de 70. 60. And what number comes después de 70? What number comes after 70? 80, right? So we go 60, 70, 80. 60, 70, 80. See how that works? Okay. I will let you do these two by yourself. Go ahead. Okay. Next, we have some fruta. I love fruta. We have apples, oranges, bananas. I love all three of those things. All right. So, how many apples do we have? ¿Cuántos manzanas tenemos? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we need to color in 6 squares on this, right? We color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh. We have 6 apples, but we have only 5 squares. What do? Well, we take a look at these numbers right here. These numbers go 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, which means that one of these squares is not 1, it's 2. Every one of these squares means 2 manzanas, or 2 bananas, or 2 naranjas. So let's take a look. We had 6, so we count 2, 4, 6. So color in 2, 4, 6. Here we have 4. So how many do we color? 2, 4. And how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what do we color? 2, 4, 6, 8. See that? Okay, go ahead and do that. And when you're done, we'll move on to our next thing. Okay? Next, they want you to put in the missing signs. So our sign will be what they want you to do is find out if these are sumos or restas. So let's take a look at this here. We have 4, 3, and 7. Is that a suma or a resta? Is it 4 plus 3 is 7 or 4 minus 3 is 7? Is it 4 más 3 son 7 or 4 menos 3 son 7? It's a summa, right? So you would say, because 4 minus 3, 4 menos 3 is 1. So that can't be right. But 4 plus 3 is 7. So go ahead and put the plus in there. Next we have 6, 2, and 8. Is it 6 plus 2 is 8 or 6 minus 2 is 8? 6 más 2 son 8 or 6 menos 2 son 8? It's plus, right? Of course it's plus. Because 6 minus 2 is 4. That wouldn't make sense. Okay, go ahead and do the rest of those. And then when you're done, we'll move on to the next thing. All right, let's look at this beaver here. He's sleeping because what time is it? Do you see that? Well, the little hand is between the 10 and the 11, and the big hand is on the 6. So what time is it? It's 10:30. 10:30, 10:30, right? Okay. Is it AM or PM? En la mañana or en la noche? It's in la noche, right? Because you're not still sleeping at 10:30 in the mañana. That'd be silly, right? Okay. So now let's take a look at the back page, and you get to do some coloring. Lucky you. But how do you know what colors to color? Well, on here you can see a whole bunch of summas and restas. What I want you to do is to do them, go do all the summas and restas, and then when you're done, it will tell you what to color. So let's take a look at these together. Let's do this one here. We have 3 plus 2, 3 más 2, is what? What's 3 plus 2? 3 plus 2 is 5, right? So we look up here on our color chart, and it says if your answer is 5, your respuesta es 5, you use this color, use green. Here we have a 6 and a 1. What's 6 and 1? 6 and 1 is 7, 7. So, look here, it says 7, or 7, use blue. All this stuff in here, you color blue. What's this here? 7 minus 1 is what? 7 minus 1 son 6. It's 6. So up here we have a C6, and we color all of our 6s yellow. Okay? So this is for you. Go ahead and do all the summas and the restas. And when you're done, look up here, and it will tell you what colors to color different things. And that's all for you. Okay, so have fun with that. And when you're done, you can go on to your English class.